To mentang ni apa no gini gi jingkeli jong ga LDA kabade po ka DSC po MAWKYRWAT dengan ni apa gini gi answer dengan shu pentik kamtu ban explain dengan try nganam yo por ban explain te ngin shu pentik kamtu te saya comment phi yo kan no marks te kan no mark 1 point po ka personal interview. Te kene ka sedang na po kene kene series D ka sedang na po aptitude. Te kejingkeli kaban kong how many combination of 2-digit number having 8 can be made from the following numbers. Te hangne ka answer ka bangala de kain de check ka answer kare ka number B kare 10. Te choose the missing word in place of sign on the basis of relationship between the word given on the left right hand side of the sign. Calendar is date, so what is dictionary means? Ini kadai answer number C dictionary dan keywords. Given below, the two statements follow by 4 conclusion 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to consider the two statements to be true even in they seems to be at variance from the commonly known fact. You have to decide which of the given conclusion, if any, follow the given statement. Kini pihak page kum kini statement ba ahirum. All bench are table. No table is chair. Pihak base kum pihak pensiong norim kum kini ki statement. Te ka answer hang ne kadai. Answer hang ne kadai. Te hang tu kadai ka kita baro kita table. Baro ki bench ne ki bench. Given the table. Baro ki bench ki the table. So only conclusion to follow. That is A is the correct answer. Number 4. If 12 workers can complete the work in 15 days, khar arngut kilawan tray khasan sngi yaking tray. How many days will 18 workers take to complete the same work? Kanungut kilawan tray da khat prangut kilap pun dapat sngi. So the correct answer here is 10 days. Palm is related to hand. In the same way, the soul is related to kena yuri khamsuk. Kejikli ke pesan. The answer is number D. A group of 3 related word is given. Choose the word from the given alternative that is similar to given word, hence belongs to the same group. Kani pihak ban kini wrong kidon kijung ki group ke bang. The correct answer here is violet kade orange, yellow kade blue. Kaya habat ke blue. Select the letter pair out of 4 pair of words that express the relationship that is similar to that of the capital pair. Season kade sama. Hangnya season kade sama. Te ka bakhambyang hangnya kade ka month kade December. D is correct answer. If you write down all the numbers from 1 to 100, then how many times 3 do you write? Kani ada ngisutho sanyo ru kalong basuk ha. Te number pra kade number C. Arpo teli ya ban thoyo lai. Number khandai 4 words have given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner, while the 4th one is different. Choose the odd one. Kani ngihapet kino kibaya jan. Kum poet, musician, dancer, actor. Tambangan suong ipi poet, musician, dancer. Kini ki hapenun kam dagi ngihapen ngambon balang bangi penun kam dagi instrument dagi tiar gitar. Ki music lane ki tiar gitar kebay de ketem kaput. Te hendu aktor pada udi ka skill udi baron kasap. Te baper hane udi aktor. C. Find the odd one that does not belong to the group. Kan ru kolong keju ngapet the books page index chapter. Kakot te kade ko kakot ndre kini ki page index chapter kide baran hapo. Te kakot kalong compare. Ki page ki index kide ban ngila plate kakot ngila balap kini. Find the number which when added to itself 39 gives 112. To number bangi add. Yau to number khalai sen ngiyo I pra. Te number yu neru de basuk. Answer is number B, pra. Today is Thursday. After 132 days, it will be hadin khat the sispa lai pu arsni mentaka di sini pasau hadin sispa lai arsni. What is that day? So the correct answer here is Wednesday. How many sevens immediately preceded by 6 but not immediately followed by 4 are there in the following series? Kani kaliban kalong basuk the cut line. The answer is number B. Only 2. Tahu deh tanggu. Anyway, tepat anyway. Kiwe nyau. Kim dan kumba kau kuat kecengkeli. Kini ke series tu kini ki bahasa ile exam le kalang pasuk bha. The series given with one term missing, choose the correct alternate form from the given one that will complete the series. When complete the series, answer 14 kedai number C. Arrange the given word in a manifold sequence and then choose the most appropriate sequence from amongst the alternative provided below each question. Kene rukalong komcu hi te kumbaki hapenya hap kini ki badan hapokot kini berkoi sedang suaka sedang suaka no darangi plate ya kakot kanu kuno kot pengito sedon suaki ai te kanambar khatsan te kasedon suaka title kerteng hadian sabut seki content hadian sabut seka introduction hadian sabut seki chapter halas du sedon seki index te answer is number C. So seka English number 16 human autonomous bepersya kadai ka cruel discourage bepersya discourage kadai number C. Elevate proclaim 18 proclaim kadai suppress persya affluence bepersya affluence opposite affluence poverty rebellion kadai opposite is submission rebellion kamot baya khi dari pas submission kadai ka ba ni surrender kembang. Choose the correct synonym of the following. Synonym kiba yalong ya jan ki kintian. Stubborn ngisi angka obstinate. Abundant kesat abundant ka khamsuk bahawan kenma you ample fluence kede display distant hangane kede forward avert hangne kande ka prevent. Choose the correct spelling from the given word. Spelling kabadai spelling. 26 kadai blasphemy. Arfunyo kadai colonel poshpai. Satellite there. Ka correct spelling jong satellite kadai number B. Correct spelling jong financially kadai number A. Beginning gini kadai besok matrai. Tang badon kiba kumtik ya kaniru. Makanya kadai ba like. Balai puai kadai kini ke correct meaning jong ini phrases and idioms ki ong kini. Back of the wrong tree kani kadai ka to make a wrong accusation. Moh le biar Yahudi yang bom day. Throw down the gauntlet kadai like R kadai number B. To issue a challenge. Wash one's hands off. Yes. Number A. To refuse further responsibility. 34. Bite the bullets. Bite the kuli. The answer is 34. Answer is number B. Hit the nail on the head. Sa bayo prek na kli bon rong ba. The answer ni to say the right thing. The life on real 36. Fill in the blanks with appropriate word. The gini article bal ai ni. They have fill. Redford is built of hanya ka contain kepada hanya kadai kelabiang lupa. Redford is built of sandstone. Kani the answer is masih no article required. The robber answer is was caught yesterday. 38. The committee has to submit its report within 2 months. 39 hani rukam don kambi ai ong baik apple are grown in Kashmir ni ma ong di apple then ong direct to apple. Many areas of the city dash into darkness for several hours. Hani then ong plunge into darkness. The mobile phone is in recent invention. Dash can be annoying as it is useful. That can be as annoying. Number D. Smoking will never given up. The tobacco industry. Dash tobacco industry. Smoking. Number 42. So never given up as long as imla ban jingdi skret kamla ban jingdi duma kamla ban khang kamla ban sange no lang dangi pendo iki karkhana sina duma sina skret. Are you looking forward? Kani kshat wan ma kani kicingli wadaki SST exam kshat wan hi nere tu saying nikhil kaba confused hai jingsha. He hinted dash for us some loss of treasure. 44. At some loss of treasure. The writer declared that 45. The writer declared that robbing of their childhood is a criminal act. Kani ka passage right? Kani ka passage tangi na you kani ka kamsuk kini ki cingkali ki mar kilong super mi kati passage ni kini ki jubab ki lalong kumni hi kamba kamda don tan baningin pet nang teru tambalong ba ni hap supen The answer hang ni number 46 kade. Number C, living. Answer number 47 speckless kade ka dotted. Invincible 48 kade number P. Unseen. Utmost kade greatest. Utmost there dampik nang teruk kacu hi. The 50 wonder kade ka number C, marble. The ini apa ini akan general knowledge. Which sport is known as ping pong? Ni ada syaiwan bahai ni ping pong. Jadi table tennis. Dia kan mau apa? District headquarter of East Karohel. East Karohel district headquarter kan yang anam yatu matrai tip brokoi. Kiki bom tip sa komen apa? Kibar tatin sa komen apa? Komen. Meghalaya rail head is located at kan ni rong anam yatu ngatrai tip brokoi. Te kibom tip sa kelih po komen. What mineral deposit are found in Southwest Kasihil? Kani te tang po Southwest Kasihil te nitip bakade ka uranium bat ka gold. Statue on which is located in the state of kani ro besok po kuchra. Instrument used for measuring heat. Instrument for heat is thermometer. The goal of matapandi salt sarga is kani karaban pendu itu ka salt repeal salt. Which is the highest region in the world? The highest region di world. Ni saya confuse ni saya ong let's say kadai ka Himalayas lene kadai ka Golden Height lene ni saya confuse ka Himalaya but kani ka Tibetan Plateau. The answer is Tibetan Plateau. Consider the following statement about the Indian Parliament. Indian Parliament, it consists of the Parliament Lok Sabha berbadai MP dua electors. Hangni kala kanika confuse kam day ne every 5 years, not every 5 years, every 6 years hangni. So only one. What does COP30 related to? Kanika COP30 kani desh phangka climate. The hangni kadika she to climate. Number C is correct answer. LAC, line of actual control, is an effective border between India and the kani confuse kade Pakistan and China. Tabang asukwa ong pi but ka Pakistan kade ka LOC, line of control. Ka China kade line of actual control. So hangni kade ka answer is China. Consider the following statement about the Indian judiciary. Indian judiciary kani ngi bon ngi penjung ki batip. The Supreme Court is the highest court in India. Hawai kata kabasok kabadai. Judge of the Supreme Court are appointed by the hangni kam de Prime Minister de kadeu President of India. So only one. Consider the following statement about Southwest Kalis. It has one international border. It was inaugurated as a district on the 3rd August 2012. Te kani kari ka basuk te ngatrai ngiyati brokhat ka juba pinse ubah bani ai po komen ka MAWKYRWAT kayo district menu te saya komen. 64. Which of the following statement are true about India's space program? India space program hani ka 64 kadai hani Aryabhata was India's first satellite. Can you correct answer? Headquarter of ISRO is in Kochi. This is wrong. Chandrayaan is India's first Mars orbiter. This is wrong. Vikram Sarabhai is the father of Indian space program. This is true. So C is correct answer. Meghalaya unique system. The distinguished Meghalaya from the other state is matrilineal system. 66. Consider the following statement about the Planning Commission. Planning Commission has been uh, replaced by Niti Aayog. Niti Aayog is a constitutional body. Hoi kabanikong kadai Planning Commission has been replaced. Niti Aayog is a constitutional body. Constitutional body hangne Squad on pi ba ki day tang tu ki constitutional because constitutional body ki kum ka election commission kum ka finance commission kum ki we ki you ki bala le na ka constitution day ki bangi mala ban pun kala ya election commission ki mala chu ban pun kala da we ka da we ka jat te hangni so ka niti ayok kam de ka constitutional body namar iya ka niti ayok ngila ban pun kala biang da we ka ayur hadla syahidin singi so tangka A is correct answer. Located at Mauranglang is a beautiful viewpoint on the Nongstoin MAWKYRWAT road. What is the name of viewpoint? There kani ni sha yo ina jangai de ngam perju olet de ngasi ina jangai atau hajan ngasi empat jolet ina jangai tamba na saya wat ma pi kini jingkeli po komen te ngan saya tu ikibam tip kadang po southwest kaseli po jan MAWKYRWAT te 68 match the following international organization headquarter kini lada pitip pinang tang iweiru te pilatip pilat labe banjuba marka option kade besuk ba lada pila la kawe ke jaka lasuk ba hangni lada pitip ka nato kumbang isu sngo ka nato mentamo apo giri jung da pertai ka nato te subo dang itip ka nato kadon apo Belgium Brazil te ngin supaya betang ka nomor di kadon ka he ke na ka nomor di ka match ba ka nomor yu bukan nomor tu te nomor tu kadon hangni te ngila tip lupa ba nomor di te kana te kitu kijaj ting hapanon kam daga comment senro. What kind of a device is a scanner? Where to a device bude scanner bude input device. Red Fort was built by kini ka Shah Jahan. So Taj Mahal was built by Ong Mapi. An area reserved for the protection of wildlife is called Botanical Park. Te kani kam dere kani tangi jingthungi National Park. Answer is National Park. Match the following monuments and location. Kanir kumpa ongam ne la pilatip ya kawe yam atip ba. Setiap Statue Liberty udah naik. Statue Liberty uya habat number 4. Atip. Tenem parbi udah bandon number 4. Te udah bandon. Te. So 72 is number A. Which among the following is not a sustainable goal? Answer is Davis Cup is associated with kaniru kadi ka favorite question jong DSC MPSC ru ka jo hi the number 74 kani kadi buat tennis. The President of India gave his resignation to the kani kam day re how chief justice kam day prime minister kam day kadi how vice president jong kari India hai. 76 the term stagflation refers to the region of 76 kani kadi high inflation and unemployment. What does the bold function do in Microsoft Word? Itu bisa type taking ni gila nang long baca klik ke jengkali dia gitu bampat ju kipom ju type komputer ketu ka bala ban sem jing kemudian dia tambangin ya tip no ke answer ke dia number B. Kamut ka kampen yong ini tidak kampen long sengat kendiat begini kamut dah klik itu bold. This technology was named after nickname of King Harald of Denmark. Muswa sensar di untuk King Harald. The device you computer I to sign dong to CM. What is the Bluetooth? Answer is Bluetooth device. Kaziranga National Park is a famous for which animal? This is for one horn and rhinoceros. Tengah try tip berkot, te iki bom tip ngasku aban keli hai kadon ka Kaziranga National Park. Mau kurduk monolet ngasai pio snow kam tam social media are located in which district of Meghalaya? Te kani saya kani ngam don kamban ai kata ka question. Tengah try tip berkot. Atau kita monolets badan po Meghalaya. Kamdai po nartiang daki wegi monolets kidan kibaker sodong pelun. Te 81. In which year MAWKYRWAT was notified as full-fledged civilization? Natrai yakani swabangin litho exam nila ya prepare hi yakani ke exam po moko yakani ka question. Tekane sai I comment hai ka ana MAWKYRWAT ka full-fledged civil civilization haka snem khat khandai spa pharpu ar ngasuang tamba hau kan utarik ta. Oldest church in Meghalaya tekani ni Tibaro nong Saulia. Which of the following is an example of operating system? Kani computer based question. Operating system. Kani Windows. What is the purpose of a computer hard drive? Computer hard drive kisah perunkam ka hard disk hard drive. No, kiba don computer gitu bah. The answer is number B. Ban store data. In Excel, which formula find the total of sum of range? Ni gibam laki kani ketika computer base the answer is C. Tang ni point is general science. 86. Which mineral is found in teeth and limestone? Mineral bang found haki binian bahu limestone. DU calcium. 87. Which organelle is known as powerhouse of cell? Powerhouse of cell is mitochondria. 88. Deficiency is caused by deficiency of nutrition. Kena masih diabetes. Insulin, datuna insulin. Yo sini. The plant tissue responsible for transporting water from root leaves is 89. 89 is C. Which fossil evidence support the theory of evolution? This is Archaeopteryx. 91. Dash is enzyme secret in saliva to digest stuff. This is amylase. Which law of inheritance state that alleles secrete independently during gamete formation? This is 92. Answer is law of segregation. The gas released during photosynthesis kena gede besuk kena tip bagi jingtung penmi ika oksigen ki tanah carbon dioxide. Which part of brain control voluntarily action ni nisai yosngo nisai wan ni wadapo jikeru. This is cerebrum. Which structure in human nephron is responsible for filtration in blood? So 95 is series number B. Bowman capsule. Which part of human eye control the amount of light entering? Kani video kan mau bahag sai wan bahag cingkali kani ini gede iris. Which of the following is a scalar quantity? Scalar quantity dia kan mau bahag scalar quantity sai wan bahag kani ru. Scalar quantity kira kira speed. SI unit of force is 98. SI unit of force is Newton. Which law explain why we need seat belt in car? Ini ngarang yo sungo muntahi tamba natrai kesaiwan ni kini. So Newton first law. Kibaran puar sebab kitu kibom dei kena sayan dak pule bahkan ni Newton first law ko angkum no. Sound cannot travel through vacuum. Hapo vacuum kadon kam ki chat chemical ayurin ngangam di kena sayan tambang asutip to den. Which of the following organism breathe through the skin? Ni te ngitip body we ring siam naks ni da. The gas we breathe is for respiration as kan ni te nganam ai answer. Which device is used to measure electric current? Electric current. Po electric current ni set thau do way da u. Ammeter. Which of these is base? Base kena saya negatif ba? Te yang suka tip ba? Ang ni base kedai soap. The phenomenon of splitting of white light into 7 colors by prism is called. Kani ka ketuke belong prism ni ngatrang item. Te kani kedai ka dispersion. Which of the following is non-renewable energy? Karena non-renewable tes ukol tes lalut kiwe gidang yo. Acceleration due to gravity on Earth is approximately. Answer kanega 107 is number A. Which mirror is used in vehicle headlight to produce a parallel beam? Kanega po vehicle headlight ini side glass rung side side use kanega 108 ni side use ka concave mirror. Which of these is physical change? Physical change ni tang uthai la umtha. Which of these is an acid? Acid badan acid te kade betang lemon juice. The metal used to make liquid is kani basuk kani copper. Which is non-metal? Non-metal hangne udayu carbon. The gas released when vinegar with baking soda is carbon dioxide. The hardest natural substance known as ni de basuk tam adu iknarir ksaitim. So which diamond? Which of these fuel is used in LPG cylinder at home? Propane and butane. So in point mathematics, the number 16, the LCM of two number is 480 and the LCM is 160. If one number is 480 and the second number is 116, answer gede number C. Cube root of 125 multiplied 340 is so number C. 118 gede number C. 1. The value to number 119 answer is 119 says number B 1. The athlete runs in 24 seconds. His speed is 30. The average of 2, 5, 7, 8, 15, 12, 10, 13 is category number 121 number A. The average of 5 number is 46 and the third of the first 4 45. The fifth result is 122 is number B. Option 25% of 320. This is easy. Lagi tu kita pada village tu balanang percentage 123. Number D 80. 124. Answer is number B 12 km. 125 is number D. 126 is 126 is number C. 127 is number B. 128 is number A. 129 is number B. 130 is number A. 131 is number C. 132 is number D. 133 is number D. 134 is number A. 135 is number D. The kaning la pues ka bakot the ngas ko abon ongkal we yaki local question wonum chani athana kai I generated answer khamta makni ki jingkli bade bat kini ki local ki lum ki wa hani po is na west ha boy ha eru wonum chani athana ki tuki AI quest ba jubab na po AI da check ba na ki we ki source tangum da ku be shibon